Welcome to the Real Estate Market Analysis Brief, brought to you by the Statistics Department of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka.
The Central Bank of Sri Lanka recently released the Real Estate Market Analysis Report for the first quarter of 2025. The central bank continuously monitors the key developments and trends in the country's real estate sector through its quarterly real estate market analysis. A key component of this analysis is the Condominium Market Survey, which collects data from condominium developers to identify trends in the primary condominium market. To assess movements in the secondary market, the central bank also compiles asking price indices for lands, houses, and condominiums using data collected from publicly available online property advertisements. Let us now take a look at the key highlights of the report for the first quarter of 2025. We will begin with the findings of the Condominium Market Survey. In the first quarter of 2025, the price index for new condominiums in the Colombo district rose to 240, reflecting a year-on-year growth of 13.9%. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, the index recorded a moderate increase of 0.7%. The Condominium Property Sales Volume Index, which tracks reported sales transactions across Colombo and other major cities, grew significantly by 169.4% on year-on-year basis and 133.3% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The highest share of condominium sales were recorded from Gampaha and Kalutara districts together during the first quarter of 2025, accounting for 64% of total transactions, followed by the Colombo district. Nearly half of recorded condominium transactions, around 49%, fell within the price range of 25 to 50 million rupees, making it the most active price segment during the quarter. As per the information received from the survey respondents, the main three sources of funding for condominium developments were pre-sale deposits, bank loans, and equity. As in the previous quarter, most condominium transactions were made by resident Sri Lankans, mainly for immediate living. As reported, the major source of financing is personal funds of buyers. Next, we'll turn to look at the trends in the real estate asking prices obtained through publicly available online property advertisements. In the Colombo district, asking price indices for lands, houses, and condominiums showed increases at the end of the first quarter of 2025 in both quarter-on-quarter basis and year-on-year basis. The asking price index for lands in Colombo rose to 134.1 in March 2025, making a 7.3% increase compared to the same period in 2024 and a 1.6% rise from the previous quarter. The asking price index for houses in Colombo continued to rise as well, showing an increase of 10.4% in March 2025 on a year-on-year basis and an increase of 5.1% on quarter-on-quarter basis. The asking price index for condominiums in Colombo recorded a 5.5% year-on-year increase in March 2025. On quarter-on-quarter basis, prices also rose by 4.1%. That brings us to the end of our real estate market analysis for the first quarter of 2025. If you are a condominium developer, we kindly invite you to take part in this Condominium Market Survey quarterly conducted by the Statistics Department of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Your inputs will ensure that the results truly represent the developer community's perspectives. Thank you for watching.
For more information, please refer to our publication on the Real Estate Market Analysis on the CBSL website.